All right, everyone, welcome to Sour Horsepower, and we have a lot of things to cover in today's video, mainly because I haven't posted much over the past couple months. So we got some Viper stuff to talk about, we got some Spider stuff to talk about. As you saw at the beginning of this video, we definitely have some Durango stuff to talk about. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. With the Durango, transmission went out. Short story on that. Passing a car on the highway, just normal daily driving, how you do. And as soon as I let off the gas after an acceleration, it went bang, and now it has nothing but neutrals in the transmission. So that was up at the dealership for the past 2 weeks. Yeah, roughly 2 weeks, I think. And yesterday, 2 days ago, I decided to trade it in for a new car, which is sitting over there, which we will talk about in a little bit. But first, let's go over some Viper stuff. Talk about the 124 and then the incoming car. Actually, I don't even think I've talked on YouTube about that. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so with the Viper, I think the last time you guys saw this on the channel was our last track day. Since then, we have put all new brakes on the car. That's roughly $3,000 later. Got new brakes. Tires are still good. Just done some other general maintenance, but this car is good, not going anywhere for the time being. I would be lying to you all if I didn't say that I was thinking about getting rid of the Viper. That new Z06 I had my eye on, but I don't think we're going to go that route. I think we're just going to stick with the Viper, and you'll see why here in a little bit. But also potentially talking about doing a wrap on this thing. So if you have any ideas, comment below. If I should, like, any color choices you guys would recommend for the wrap. I'm thinking like a competition blue, maybe get the wheels refinished to get the curb rash out of them, and powder coat them black, like delete the chrome badges and stuff like that. So I think that would look pretty dang cool. We also have the option on this to, I'm thinking about maybe respraying part of the car, just to keep it the red, but we do have a lot of rock chips on it. And as you can see, like right here, we got a little bit of paint coming off on the side skirts there from just, you know, being driven and being used. So let me know what you guys would prefer in the comments. Maybe a wrap, complete color change to like a blue or whatever color you guys comment below, and or we just respray it red and put some PPF over it and protect it for when we're out on the track days. On to the next car, the 124 Spider. So this will not be on the channel much longer, and I say that because if you've seen on my Instagram, follow us at Sour Horsepower, I have ordered a Chrysler 300C, one of the final edition ones with the 6.4 Hemi in it. So we will be swapping this car for the 300 when that comes in. They are expecting those to be around March, April, I believe, is the delivery date on those. So we'll have this through the winter. I'm really bummed because I really do like this car, and I wanted to do so much more with it. I wanted to take it out and do autocross and track days and stuff, but just to keep it financially responsible, if one's coming in, one should probably go. So yeah, unfortunately the 124 Spider is going to be the victim of that. Really fun car. Really wish I could keep it, but that is not the case when it goes to getting the 300. So now we have to talk about what replaced the Durango. Now there only seems to be like one option for me, because every time I get a new car, I like to like kind of go, I don't really like to downgrade. I mean, nobody really likes to downgrade. So there's not much higher you can go over an SRT Durango. Fortunately for me, there was a car for sale actually like 10 minutes away from my house that I would classify as an upgrade. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, guys. If you couldn't have guessed by that exhaust clip that you just heard, yep, it is a new Hellcat powered vehicle on the channel. Just happens to be a little bit different than previous Hellcats we've had on the channel. Ram TRX 2021. It is used. I got it for a pretty fair deal, I believe. Like I said, it was 10 minutes from my house. It's got just over 20,000 miles on it. But yeah, I mean, it's a bright red TRX that matches the bright red Viper. I mean, when I saw this for sale, I could really not turn it up, or turn it down, I should say. Had to go grab it, especially with the Durango in the shop. That kind of like pushed me along as like, okay, well, you know, screw it, just go get it. Really happy about it. Some of the options it does have, as you can see, the ram bar on the back. It is level 2 equipment group. It's actually pretty well optioned up. The full leather interior with the level 2 group, obviously the 12-inch screen, panoramic roof. It's got the technology pack with the adaptive cruise control. Yeah, I mean, there's not too many crazy options you can do on a TRX other than the ram bar and the rear mounted tire. It's got the sticker pack back there, but I think it's just an absolute beast. We're gonna do, I don't want to talk too much in this video about like how it drives so far. I've driven it one day, and that's why it's obnoxiously dirty. It was raining all day yesterday. We're gonna have to get some mud flaps or something and some side steps. I am not the tallest guy in the world, and I have to jump up into this thing. So mud flaps, side steps are a must, but we're gonna do a full review once I drive the truck some more, and can give you guys an actual like real ownership impression of it. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I think maybe not the smartest financial decision, especially with the 300 on the way, but when I started thinking about it, and like I said, it matches the Viper, it would look pretty cool lineup there. I couldn't really say no. So yeah. All right, everyone, so that's going to be it for this video. It's still kind of crazy to me to think that I have a Viper and a TRX. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I sat here and was talking with my fiance for a good while after I got it, and it's just, yeah, we're kind of on a trend here on the channel of getting a new car every like 6 months to a year. But with the Viper and the TRX, I don't foresee that at least these two, I don't foresee these two changing for quite a while. I mean, where else do you get better than a Ram TRX? I mean, not getting a Ford that's better, that's for sure, or a Chevy. So yeah, unless fuel, I mean, fuel prices could go up to like $10 a gallon, then I might consider it. But for now, yeah, I'm happy. Hopefully you guys enjoy the TRX. Like I said, we'll have plenty of content. Actually, with the winter coming up, I guess it's kind of getting into TRX weather anyway. The Viper is going to go sit in here in the garage, probably do a little bit more maintenance things, change out some more fluids and stuff before next year's track season. Probably going to have that on track at least, I'm going to hope for 5 times next year. We'll see how the scheduling works out. Unfortunately, the videos don't do so well in here, but it's what I like to do anyway, so we're going to keep doing it. And then 300C content coming in the spring, hopefully. But yeah, probably start drag racing some more too. I mean, we got that. We can drag race that. We did take the Viper out. Viper needs to go back out to the drag strip. And the 300 will most likely be at the drag strip. So I know it's been a slow fall, but stick with me through the spring and summer next year. We got we will have 3 very capable vehicles to produce great content for you guys. So thanks for sticking along, and subscribe if you're still here in the video. Comment, like I said, color of the Viper if you like the truck, if I made a stupid choice. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.